So these challenges required a thoughtful approach. And what we've agreed to is to make sure that the health measures are in place, to make sure there is time for the appropriate preparation for our educators, to make sure that we can have the smoothest beginning of the school year, even under extraordinarily challenging conditions, and to move forward in a spirit of unity. Let me give you an update on how the timing is going to work under this plan. So on the normal school year, educators, staff are in their buildings by the day after Labor Day, and that will be true here as well, Tuesday, September 8th. The school days, instructional days, were slated to begin September 10th. We're going to hold that for a few days. We're going to allow preparation days for our educators and staff to get ready under these unprecedented circumstances. So September 10th and 11th, September 14th and 15th will be days devoted to preparation, to really making sure that blended learning can work for everybody, that everyone understands their role, everyone has had a chance to practice together and coordinate. There's been an opportunity to communicate with families. And then, starting on the 16th of September, we'll have a 3-day transitional period, only 3 days. For those 3 days, instruction will begin remotely for all students. During that transitional period, there will be instruction for students, but there will also be additional preparation for educators and staff. And then on September 21st, Monday, the school buildings open full strength. We go to blended learning, as has been described previously. We have students coming into the buildings. What would have happened on September 10th now happens on September 21st. So it's blended learning. Some kids in school one day, other kids in school another day. The buildings will be open and operational and taking kids for that crucial in-person learning. And one of the things I want to say we affirmed in these discussions is nothing replaces in-person learning. Our educators have been clear that as important as it is to provide the very best remote learning we can to address the digital divide, provide free devices and internet service for kids, do everything we can to make remote work, nothing is as powerful as in-person learning. So that will begin on Monday, September 21st. The point that I raised earlier about safety, one of the reasons we're confident in our ability to keep everyone safe is we now have over 200 testing locations in New York City, many of which are very near our public school buildings, some of which are literally across the street from a public school building. But we'll be augmenting that with mobile testing vans, with testing tents at school sites. We're going to make testing available every month in every school, and it's going to be made available in a way that maximizes the ease for everyone in the school community to get tested who needs to get tested. We'll be doing a monthly medical monitoring process that's been worked through by our health leadership, Dr. Jay Varma and Dr. Dave Choksi, along with medical leadership representing the United Federation of Teachers. And they've agreed on a plan that will make sure that testing happens on an ongoing basis, but I want to emphasize, in a way that is convenient and easy and straightforward for everyone in the school community, and of course is free. So that on top of everything else that we've laid in place, ample supply of face masks and PPE, constant cleaning of our schools, including electrostatic cleaning, social distancing throughout the school day, pods, so small number of students and staff stay together, a host of measures to keep everyone safe. Again, the strongest standard in the world.